Hello friend, welcome to my channel and today's topic about simultaneously equation. So yesterday we learned this topic and today we learn by another method. Okay. So if you want to solve this equation, we try to make the subject x. If we want to make the x subject, we move this one opposite side. So we could write the x equals 7 minus 3y. So wherever the x we can see, we replace this value, right? Because x equal 7 minus 3y, it is a x value. So now in a first equation I make the x subject, means I find the x value, this one, and that value I will put in this second equations where it is a x. So here 2x, so I replace x by this value. So 2 times 7 minus 3y bracket close minus y equals 7. Okay, now I multiply 2 with the 7. I expand the bracket in short. So 2 times 7 14. Take away 2 times 3 is a 6y minus y equal to 7. Okay, now I collect the like term. So negative 7y, negative 6y, negative 1y going to be a minus 7y equal to 7. Okay, now I solve the equation and find the y value, because now only y variable, right? So we can figure out. So this 14, first I move opposite side. So 7 minus 7y equals 7, take away 14. Change the sign, remember that rules. So minus 7y equals 7, take away 14, which is a minus 7. Okay, both side negative sign, so I can remove that negative sign, because both side if we multiply by the minus times minus going to be a plus. Okay, now this 7 I want to get rid of, so both side I multiply by the divide by 7. So y equal to 1. So we find the y value. Okay, now here parallelly we know the y value, right? So you can take either this equation, either this one or this one, whatever you wish. I select this one to find the x value. Okay, so x equal 7 minus 3 times y value we find here 1. Okay, that I will put it here. So x equals 7, take away 3 times 1 going to be a minus 3, x equal to 4, x value is a 4. Let's we check it whether our answer is correct or not. For that I am taking this second equation. Okay, so 2x minus y equals 7. Okay, x value what? 4. So 2 times 4 minus y value what? 1 equal to 7. 2 times 4 it is a 8, take away 1 equal to 7. So 8 take away 1 is a 7. So yes, our answer is correct. Okay, so this is the another method. Yesterday we learned, in yesterday's video we learned to add or subtract both equation, and here today we learn by the make the subject either variable. Okay, let's move on for the second example. So for this example here, okay, let's make this y subject. So minus y equal 5, take away 3x. Okay, now subject cannot be minus. Remember the simple fact about the subject cannot be a negative number and also cannot be a denominator. Okay, that two facts you have to remember. So to get rid of this minus sign, we change the every term sign. So negative terms becomes the positive, y was negative becomes positive, 5 was positive becomes negative, 3x was negative becomes the positive. Why that happened? I multiply the everything both side by the negative sign. That's why negative times positive, negative, negative times negative, positive. Okay, remember that. Okay, now y value we find, y is a minus 5 plus 3x. Okay, now I am taking the another equation. Because I make here y subject, that's why I am taking another equation. Remember that. So x plus 3y. Okay, instead of y, I write the y value, which is a minus 5 plus 3x equal to minus 20. Okay, now I expand this bracket. So first x I write as it is, 3 times minus 5 going to be a minus 50. Oh, come on. Minus 50. 3 times plus 3x going to be a 9x, but it is positive, equal to minus 20. Okay, I collect this like term. So 1x and 9x both are positive, so 10x. And this 15 I move opposite side. So it was here negative. When I change the side, I change the sign. Sorry, it is a 15, not a 20. 15. Okay. So 10x equal minus 20 plus 15 going to be a minus 5. Now to get rid of this 10, both side we divide. So x equal to negative half. Okay. So now we know the x value that we insert in this either equation. Okay. This time I am taking this equation. Okay. So x plus 3y equal to minus 20. I replace x by the value of the x, which is a negative half. Okay, plus 3y equal to negative 20. Okay, negative half I move the opposite side. So, yeah, 3y equal negative 20 plus half, because when change the side, change the sign. So 3y equal to negative 19.5, because this is the half, means 0.5, right? And now to get rid of this 3, we divide both sides by the 3. Okay, and both sides divide by the 3. What would be the answer? 19.5 divided by 3 going to be a 6.5, but it is a negative, and this 3 here cancel down. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.